Hello, I'm Mohammed Emin Ganjabi from Sharif University of Technology. This video will teach you the basic and theoretical backgrounds of resistance spot welding processes, as well as how to set them up in Simufact welding. Furthermore, the electrical post, value, and other evaluation will be explained. At the end, modeling hints will be given. Resistance welding process are simulated using electrical, thermal, mechanical, metallurgical coupling. A resistance spot welding process in Simufact welding is divided in a sequence of 6 automatically calculated phases. All 6 phases are calculated in every predefined welding point. The phases are 1. Approach of the lower electrode to the joint partner reference point. 2. Approach of the upper electrode to the joint partner closing of the spot gun. 3. Activation of the electrode force of the upper electrode. The lower electrode is fixed or rather has a defined stiffness. 4. Activation of the welding current with the constant clamping force of the electrode. The lower electrode is still fixed and can have a stiffness. 5. The activation of the welding current with the constant clamping force of the electrode. The lower electrode is still fixed and can have stiffness. 6. Removal of the spot gun. The example process is a 3D process where 2 angled sheets will be spot welded together. In this example, the fixings are used to avoid full connection between the 2 sheets. Click File, New Project, the name change, spot weld, and folder save, apply, OK. The next window is where you initially configure the simulation. There you can specify the process type, the number of components, bearing, fixing, spot guns, and other settings. Process type, resistance spot welding, ambient temperature, 20 degrees centigrade, no-click gravity, component, 2 component, bearing no, fixing 2, and seal spot gun 1. Apply, OK. Now the F image of the 2 sheets will be imported. This tutorial uses positions and mesh geometry in PDF format. Are located in right-click, Geometry, Library, Choice Tutorial, Sheet 1 and Sheet 2. OK. Mark the box used for all geometry.